and nephews, welcome back to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. To my new nieces and nephews, welcome to the family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's get some housekeeping out the way first, okay? I want to tell you thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for all of your love and support. I really appreciate it. And so let's get down to business, okay? And if you please hit that like button, Auntie really would appreciate it. Really, I would. Okay, we're going to be making my chicken burgers. Yes, my chicken burgers. They're made with ground chicken. I buy the ground chicken that's made with some dark meat, and I buy the ground chicken that's made with the breast meat, and I combine them both because the dark meat of the bird has the most flavor. That's why the dark meat of the bird has the most flavor and it has the most moisture. Okay, so we're going to do a flip and flip. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm trying to say. Rumble, stumbles, crumbles. Okay, and we're going to get started. Okay, this is what we're going to use. I have 2 pounds of ground chicken. As you can see, the color, the light is made from the breast and the dark is made from the thigh meat. Probably the thigh and drumstick, but I'm just saying thigh meat. You know, I know it's the dark meat. I'm going to be filling these. I use 1/4 cup of Parmesan and 1/4 cup of mozzarella. I have 1/4 cup of bread. Oops. Did I say 1/4? Hold on. I can't see. I had to pull it close to my spectacles. 1/2 cup. I just grabbed these because they right over there. Because my other, my nice pretty measuring cups stay over there. Okay. 1/4 cup of plain breadcrumbs. In here, I have a tablespoon of minced onions, or you can cut up your own onions. I'm using these today. They're just dehydrated, rehydrated, whatever. I have a teaspoon of paprika. You can use smoked paprika. That's what you prefer. 1 teaspoon of oregano. I have a teaspoon of black pepper, and I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 large egg, and I have a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Okay, and now I'm going to throw all this together. And I have my breakfast of champions. Coffee. Today's breakfast choice is caramel. Okay, I need to get some gloves because Auntie don't touch meat. Oh, just so all of you that thank you for your love that you're showing to my little fur baby. He made my day yesterday. He gave a gallop. He galloped like 4 little steps. Oh, that made my day that he got up and I said, "Come on, Boogie Bear." He got up and he galloped. Not not a complete run, but he galloped and he looked so adorable. He's just so adorable. And the way I'm preparing his food now, I'm making it soft, combining his dry and his wet anyway, but then I cover it, put it in beef broth. Yeah, I give him real beef broth. Publix have it BOGO, so I went and bought him a bunch of cartons, so he gets his beef broth and he sops it up. So anyway, back to this. Okay, we're going to throw in it doesn't matter any combination you put this stuff in. There is no particular combination, but except make your cheese last. And you're going to get, the thing about ground chicken is just like a ground chicken. You got to have a binder. You got to have a good binder. And that's what the egg and the breadcrumbs do. The ground chicken it's softer than ground turkey to me. The texture of it is. And I'm going to use this one hand and mix all of this together. And if you can feel the bottom of your bowl and you feel some seasoning on the bottom now, you swirl this stuff around and get it all in there good. Now I'm going to add my cheese. I need both hands for this to add the cheese in. Add the cheese. Get my cheese all incorporated in here really well. Now, like I said, this is 2 pounds, so it won't feed about 4 or 5 people. Now you can add garlic powder. You want to, you can add garlic powder. I didn't add garlic powder. Okay, I'm going to pull this over here. And I'm going to take these off so I can grab my pan. Little housekeeping over there. And I'm going to pat them out and place them on this pan. Okay, it doesn't matter. You can make it any size you want. You know, my villagers, they used to like thick burgers. And I can eat these. But I wouldn't make them. I don't, a whole, but I wouldn't eat a whole one though. You can make them, and you know, they don't have to be pretty. We are not perfect patty over here. Okay, let's get this out the way right quick. We are not perfect patty. This is not perfect patty's kitchen. This is Auntie's kitchen where you get the real deal. You don't know why people keep reaching out to me to my, oh, you do edit this A, B, and C will happen. I'm like, honey, I'm not into all that. All I want to do is cook and hang out with my nieces and nephews. I don't care anything about all that kind of stuff. That's just me. I just want to cook. I just want to cook, run my mouth, and be happy. And YouTube, my YouTube channel gives me both of those. It makes me happy, and I get to cook and hang out with my little virtual family. So I don't care anything about all that other stuff. That's why you gotta have bleach, because you see that flew over there, then a little piece right there. So you gotta sanitize. You gotta keep your bleach solution in the kitchen. Last one. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but sure got a bigger pan. But it'll fit right there. It'll be okay. Right there. Okay, I'm gonna do a little housekeeping and we'll be back and we're gonna get to cooking. And move this out the way. Okay, I have my oil going. Not going. Yeah, I do have it going. We have 4 chicken burgers out. And I just need to get my pan hot so I can put them down and we'll be in business. And I did my little housekeeping. Okay, my pan is hot, so I'm going to get my first burger up, I think. Now, all of these are not going to fit, and that's okay. That's all right. Maybe not, maybe so. Who knows? The pan will tell, and I guess the pan told the story. And I'm going to let these sear on one side, do a little housekeeping, and I'll be back. Oh, family reunion, I covered these. The reason why I cover, because the steam from all of this also helps cook the top of the burgers. And it doesn't, you still have to check for doneness, people. You still must check for doneness. But it does help the cooking time and the cooking process. And it makes your burgers a lot easier to flip. This is what I'm talking about, because without it being covered, it makes it a lot easier to turn them. That one still got to cook some more. Look, I'll be back. Okay, now, what I did in my last 10 minutes of cooking, I put a little water in my pan and I just I steam them like that. So now I'm going to check my temperature. They should be 165 to know I'm done. I got to turn it the wrong way. This is very done, as you can see. Very, very done. Very, very done. but they're not dry. I can tell by piercing the meat. It's nice and moist. So I'm going to turn this off and put them on a plate. Are our chicken burgers, nicely seasoned and moist. And we're going to grill our pretzel buns. And what I've done, I've butter in the inside of each bun, pretzel bun. I didn't do the outside. I'm just doing the inside. So I'm just waiting on the pan to get hot so I can start grilling the pretzel buns. Brown all my bottoms at the same time. I'm browning 3 because I don't eat bread. I can't eat, I don't eat burger buns. Definitely not this style. Okay, we got our bottoms grilled. Gonna grill our tops. I just put a little bit on top. I just want to give it a little cute little gloss. That's all. And I'm not going to let them sit in one spot because I don't want them to really crust. Oops. Came loose. That's okay. Keep moving. So I don't want to sit in one spot. So those are our buns. Now we are going to assemble our burger. And we are going to do what they do at the houses, whatever you want to call them. We're going to steam our burger to melt our cheese. We're going to lay it down, out, but not burn yourself like me. Yeah, don't burn yourself like Auntie. And then, you know the little silver dome? Well, I don't have one this big. Mine is only I think it's a 9-inch. This is a big pan, so I'm just going to create a steam, and then I'm going to take them back out. That's all I'm doing, creating the steam, melting the cheese down, so it'd be nice and ooey gooey. That's why these are super cheesy chicken cheeseburgers. And if you want to, you can add your, you see, they are so juicy. Look at all that goodness running out of them. Hold on, guys. Now, see how easy that was? And look at what we have. You can do this stuff at home. You don't have to go out and pay good money for deliciousness. Look at there. Did you see these burgers? Look at there. Good. And you know what? You want it. There are 3 cheeses in here. We got our Parmesan and our mozzarella on the inside. So hold on. Okay, we're going to assemble our burger. We're going to get us a bottom. We're going to put us a burger on top with all that cheese in there. Not for you lactose intolerant people. Use lactate cheese. And we're going to put some lettuce that I just chopped and some tomatoes. Oh, I used the pretzel buns, the pretzel burger buns by Pretzel. Caitlin seems to like those really, really well. And they're soft. They're not hard and crunchy like the other ones. But here we are. Look at that goodness. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you guys for watching me make my version of a chicken burger. Like I said, Caitlin loves them on pretzel buns than any other bun. And I think that pretzel bun makes a difference in the taste of the burger. So until the next upload, go be you, but go be you, but be great being you. Hugs and kisses to each of you. Love you guys. To the next upload. Woo, woo, woo. Love you. Bye.